Mwanchumo ligeribono nagokwani ndonsia sobereta semaragoba yabono chinga kichini gokwarigania SMS mangana Amayia nyaro kumanyagati yari tobereto gokwariganira kurose mambya yarenge ntambe weka Chinsa chigabono chabono maragoba ali tukerineri ya Jumatano tariki 15 omutinyo kabiro mwaka bwekiri bubere na 2023 na mange abereka okorekana yo aseri bwango chigo kumanyina ko gusansamuranira ase maragoba yabono Chinsa ni Isato ime ya Afrika ya mocha gose East Africa TOBWATERANE goetera somuno bwimanyiryo igakoro kwa Joshua auta abaliki baito batarre chingongo chonsi minesiko yo rogongo ruwa Gusii ritangani kigima tunyaramangana yo asenchera yoko ya chuta
Toiraneri musimo president tombiamano asokwa omuske Shadrack musikoro Solicitor General
Oyore koligie kargo kyobo jumba se bunga yak tutuma sawe menye kaunti ya Nyamira goetera se kiama kia UDA Shadrack moso irwe karogo numura ibwense tegerera
And doesn't matter how many times Mr. RUTO shouts.
Abaseneta bazimio bakirwesi gokorwa se bunga yeseneti asabo igora iramo chire William Ruto sensemo ya masabo
that we have 1,314 ghost workers that did not show up for the exercise.
Abakoriye meremembe ogoetaneri bweye moni go babere bakuriye mushara imeye county ya Kisii kyombe kyokoro butukigiye serikali yatebire. Asayo mona yanda mange saranso ikibono literani nchenkuru kwa Vincent Onyancha. Igotoko cha KMS mangana Amayia kurwase ward ya Nyansiongo yibone gotoka se bunga ya Burabu imeye county ya Nyamira aso OBOCHORI bwakolekana bwaeta ni gobono bwarokano gotwara ogoteiwana kwa bene anasama chibu ayo abete kagoso koneke bekuri OBOCHORI ne chimbe BBC ase ward ya Nyansiongo aso kwamiriri kwa bete gokolekana ni gobono babete bakwamiriri buna hoyo beto MC ase ward ya Nyansiongo Dennis Nyaribo tagwete OBOCHORI bwasenchera yoboye kirano asenchera yobwasero no bwasyo kuboigo ekegambero gya karoka seri tukolia lero nigo gya tugutera hare OBOCHORI bwe ward ya Nyansiongo asabona OBOCHORI obwo bogochigo kolekana boya asantu babori ko babatohereru eliko nyara ko irobeli aso OBOCHORI obwo ya ase ward ya Nyansiongo ase bunge yo ya Burabu
oyo renge petition entangani ase ti petition tiarenge Isato tia Nyansiongo ward tiare kumurekero ko unereri kwa OBOCHORI bwakoretwe ase ward ya Nyansiongo tugache koti ya twabera emitienyi sita tukuriyo boene na rare koti ya rure amachibu gose ya rure ukona cha wekina ase atebanga oyorobisyo musike Dennis Nyaribo tali ero choretwe kobo MCU Nyansiongo ne koti ya endera gotebanga chikura chirorerwe ase ward ya Nyansiongo tuanjirane no bosiboro obwo lakini rende inchase petition yane nasabete kura chiakwe ekiagera obututukanu bwarorekanete igo bwarorekanete ekero chikura chiakiru chiaerirwe chiabarirwe chiatangasirwe bagachigo chencherie binte byoro sana lakini ekoti yarora buya yarusioro sana yareta ase polling station yagera yate batoiranire chikura igonje ngote abafuasi abakachi ba Nyansiongo bali barenga abange bangete bonsi pimoyo bale nande toirorere ngora igo tororo nyoro burayi obuya bwa Nyansiongo
Nago tigana na yubono yore koligie kero kyobo jumbe kurase bunge ya kitutuma sawe meye county ya Kisii Shadrack mosegoetera se kiama kirikia UDA nikubona nyarega ko gwemere muno murayibwense William Samuel Ruto bunakobo omo Solicitor General maiga yokobu asekero kyobo OBOCHORI bwaba bogoeta no ena bo mugwime ndrebube county ya Kisii Doris Donya totama na barayibande niko baligandi kyandiki 10 engane yo asabaga Doris Donya toto aberga kwaligali nkwana ya yo murayibwense buna Subati wanyare konyore birugo bisaine anasensemo yobora yomuri kito saranyarangyontita na mange
magega ye bunge ya Kenya koleto mswada ase bunge komente birogo bya basubati asoborai lituko lya lero Oma Women Rep we county ya Kisii Doris Donya Toto nigonera bekire lyogiriaye asamentire buna ekionega tambokerekia asokomenta bangina asoborai.
Honorable member for Kisii County, Honorable Donya Doris.
Na inche mali igona tena na famu na te baiga. Di chigo to chenji di go konyo mwana inchi. Ningi gara di to tonyo chenji di twanya go chenji go mabo mwana inchi ngoli go chenji. Twa chenji di chigo go mabo mwana inchi ngoli go chenji. Aya aseke ba kwa nerego ya abanyina gotora representation in parliament ero ga kina nyire kongo.
Asa teberubuna abangina bange nigo bali nirwa mabaga yokora nagoteba buna abangina nigo babwateli bagaligia ase birengerelyo ebiya abyoborai.
Ngingo nyara kongole abangina nindu to kwa ne bintu bitolengete ntu na abangina intu to ko chatwa tabaga ka parliament ne kya bana baisike bachandegete babwate bintu byabo biri bago tumya chinga kichabo na ande kakina muligeri ko rugusiro rachi principle chiri chabele chigokora bya chigweti amademo abangina ko machikorera kana tole gutwara time to gotegerere bintu bigo chanda abantu amuga ko meti kya gotonyere gorachire abantu kutakabara umuntu kire take gore soba okubaira ne lya maboli abakulingana igase lichiko edidilo lilyo komenta more women leaders in parliament edidilo lingo tebande kongole
Omoskedonya nigo baigatebire agoche kwamereria bororo gote makonde wensi kugoche kubarenta abawaziri ase bunge nene ilyokobeka tene niemeremo yabo bakorire ase chabisi cyabo
tiga koreta CS parliament ngito kwangira kuchiretera ntobate chikomiti meaning committee members ba kuchakoba idol bastio ba kuchakokora to irira a lot of money to train members on committees bono tumanya kwikera nande tuyigorere kyoreri CS chigachi parliament go ebintu mbere to banara to koligeri lakini bottom line ya constitution yabata itoto change please tigebe bono bunarigeri emikondo yitere idol twamanya kolera twalera twabantu batindagera tukuli yet Kenya etore self sufficient ase amangana yobole mu libora isana toligenda yetesene na tebire lichikutira lichinju kukonya mwana inche tali lichikuligo chikokonya abantu binafsi
nigo boigo anyarire kumwakira umurai bwense Dr. William Ruto buyamono asoko mochoro mo Solicitor General kobasha Shadrack Mose oyolengo mobunge okitutu masaba ime county Nyamira
kerine gentekia umatakiro mutoyo mali kiru egene kebule kingo chabumba kire buna bono ningagirete onye para yaringi gocho mo Solicitor General na bagwa kesimi agapara kabe mugeni njo mwenyeji aponye agapara kabe kugabo na macha musugo chimo mu Solicitor General no nyolengo mujumbe nchena chire chinyomba chinyinge cy'abajumbe ekerongo ete para ko nyole para geseregete lakini bono mu Solicitor General no mundora host no nyine president pake pare benywe igabantu bensemeyo they will get something so ingo support na ndengo tebambia mono na ndonya mabagande karo yendera gutubuchira gocha siriro baleto lya Gusii
Sara Nyarangi Ontita Ndizi TV
Biamono mulikito Sara Nyarangi Ontita soroboti rwa senchire yoboye kirano ni go rwa baroko aliganiwa na Brighton Makole aserwale tugocha somole na Sara Nyarangi Ontita nyirabano Shadrack Mose ni gale koliye karokyo bojumbe kurwa se bunga ya kitutu masaba wetre kyama kirikia UDA ase county ya Nyamira chinga kichikati ya amenye kurwa se county ya Nyamira boy goni go beso kirina go kwane ngane yo ase bali gani kyandege komi igoro yogo choro kwa Shadrack Mose buna kwa omo Solicitor General no enaboni go chinga chibono lituko lyanke kigambero kya Nyamira kigo chikoruko na cha igoro yeki na kyobwatana ntyo mugavana we county ya Nyamira Mose Nyaribo anana sokwa meribu na tabwete bochori obu asenchera ya beno mulikito kurose county ya Nyamira asobwamo ni gasangereri chinkwana cy'abantu na boigona abwatani bonse nago twaliganiriyo roboti rokobwatia
Abarai n'abaso mukuru ase county ya Nyamira mbairali bagali abene kumuinane lyambuya mono omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto asoko mochora oyo kabeire omubunge okuchutu masaba Shadrack Mose koba omo Solicitor General.
Nachukua nafasi kwa heshima niweze kumshukuru Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya manake amechagua mtoto wetu
bagokwana asomobugani oyomo imiyomochie okeroka mbateba egetambokerekyo nensemo eyemo yokumuinyora omugusi
oko aende ngokwana on behalf of yabantu bagachi bonse piese twabete toro no moko tubwakire president myamono esoko torora na intugo tunyore serikali yaye ntumanye tumweshimwa Shadraka na akorete gasi enene sana ase gokorigeria president chikura naende kumuiraniria kumwekero geke MBUYA akorete sana.
Kwa vile umechagua mtoto wetu ambaye anaitwa John Sadaraka Mose kuwa kiongozi katika kaunti ya Nyamira. Pia tunashukuru sana kwa kupa mwenzetu Machogu kwa kuwa katika kieli.
Mbate bambali ange kubwaterana n'umurai bwense Dr. William Ruto elinde koreta amagenderero asense mo ya Nyamira.
No Nyamira mosinyaribo atotebiri nganto bantu tore chama yae tutaite president tokonye chi project njo twenda kwera. Number 1 ne project kunga Sironga Industrial Park. Number 2 ne project ya area Mawawe Stadium kurunga Green Stadium. Number Isato ntobwate chipara chinyinge chirase county yetu ya Nyamira na hande maite umugavana mbagenda gari ase bakanyoro waziri Murkomen roads ndobwate pare ya mabuko yonetere ndobwate
ase baba bakogikiria emisangerekano yaberege kwariganirwa no muraiwe kiombe kia Azimio Raila Odinga ase bate bambali gochikoba ensemeyo
naba jisena tajeito naba women rep etoko basaba mochamo makolega asiamo bunebisa kubinde bigokora kere moko genda motiga mangana nje na chore tigo sengo ru asimia bone tore Kenya kwanza tigatoga ndere gosuka GOCHIA motwe elinde toyo eguna ntu obokimaturagere.
Sisi Kisii tu hapa hatuna mambo ingine. Hapa tunasema maendeleo. Mambo ya maandamano hatutaki. Asanteni sana.
Abamenyi be county ya Nyamira mbasege choko babatwereru na gwancherana okona chagwe kina kyobo governor chitariki 15 nemo chyomo chenyoyo
aseri tukoria mambi ndobwate kesi ya court yekaba determined ari Nyamira kyobo governor ekiki abete file no mo muromi ntoko rukunga yera igoyo chikora kyobo governor obomoske mo governor mosinyeri babwa igo toko sababa kusiba ito whatever the outcome irarugari ase court tukoria mambi tutwaro morembe NSP na anderende titogosani gore outcome inde onsi irabe korwa ase court
kurwa se county Nyamira ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV Job Maangi.
Mbiyamuno homurikito Job Maangi kurwa se county ya Nyamira hasoroboti rwa senchera yobo ikirumo nchumurige nyaruna lituko lyankyo nalibono omugavana we county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo arachikomanya benne gosinatikara ko omugavana se county yoko batakana buno kwamerelia niko ko igetu wa seke gambero asono ba mireti obuyibwaye bunaterero bwete chikura sobochore bana bwaeta buno omugavana we county ya Nyamira ngane yibono lituko lyankyo ntokubwatira sowime nago komanyia ningi kera chikoro wa kolengana neke gambero gotigara abo igase county ya Nyamira togandira ko murekera mangana arengeta amangana yoborae omugwime ndrebwe county ya Nyamira jerusha mu mahanye gati yabarayibande nere ni garure nkwana ya yasoko motogyo murayibwense William Samuel Ruto asoko mochora buna oyole koliye karo kyobo jumbe ime yakituma masaba Shadrack Moseko bo Solicitor General ni gochinga kejerusha mu mahanye atebire buna se county ya Nyamira keke getali yanyo rege tangane gekorengana ne county ya Kisii ni gochinga chia boliri omurai wense kwane kiboigo inkomentari getarikende GOCHIA se county ya Nyamira anasoko nyara GOKINIA OBOKORERI buna chi county chinde.
I was so happy this week ekerona igwete president ya chorire omoske Sadraka John Mose gochikobe Solicitor General na ndi mama etekero gikiya Solicitor General no okonye kireseito aso mwana minto kenyo geto igo bono nande kera agituiraniretie kiagera kenne matuka ekonyora erire kiagera contract ya era naenda agakeira ni gocha Nyamira gekagenda Shadraka kurubugetutu masaba tutate ko teba mbiya mono sana ase president yaito ase ngento yogo to consider otwali bagerio togenderera ko baroro n'abagusii ase kerogia Solicitor General naende ria kabere ntate ko sabe president yaito ria sore ekerogenda tokorengera ligoro yo Gusii na gosabire koranja Solicitor na kiekeroge kamagio katwanyore n'abanyamira na ndi nyasaye kagukuna otorore n'abagusii na enda abanyamira tanyora na ende kerogo kende ekama go bibere bitatu we shall be so grateful.
Monchumo likirebono gotigana nayo na kubolia bwense mubuna andake kwanye kuigwo buyabu gentogete okubwatina kumanyo buyabu ayenkerekie ke umoro kiwoya mu yubono karamatemo ya KCPE na kanyara magistimi Isato 35 nabere nigemukirige tambo kero gotara namagoro kurchinse mo jirikyo gembo goikense mo ya nyanchwa eyemaga yoko ubune skuru ya nyanchwa nemo konye konyara kogendera n'amasomo aye anaso konyara gose class grigi ya kenda gose form 1 kurenda bali mu skuru niko batebera buna na kumwaka nagati school fees kolende ikigo cyane mwana otabwate kende gyonse kira mwanchere aso school engina niga chete ngakyale ngo mwana moke ikaboniga atanya komora umulikito Josephat Yamisi na mange
Eugene Mochere Mosemaga yaye koirwa gochia asensema transmare ndira chikobaga kolise chombe niga nyalete kobaga kubateru koboko na koirwa seskuru asanya nyalete kobaga kora ekirasi ya gatana gatatu umwako nyalete kobaga goita na bigo gokora biya
Bono babante itariko nyaranga chaka kobera isiko mumanyo ma olioko nibku RUTO agachaka nyara para kamburi ngyo tariko cheresko ngamatenga baba tabuati obo asuko nyara kundio skuru agantebi angira so mwalimu mumubusi achigonsamina muri siri chingombe tana igetoro akaratin kobera isko akangire skuru ngo ike skuru yewe kaichuma Jumamosi na Jumapili na alisi chingombe
mwana uthurukamo no mochokoro no bo muisikoni mwana bo mochokoro yone ngina ga muntigerete ogo ikaransa ono akagenda timetie saka nombo na timetie sema yakale nje molende bakabono iga ono ganyo to mosamarium ya akana ashiru na ndwalete akamatebi ngatogende ojikolisiri omuntu rawo ngano ya ganja
bono nigo aboritiwe ira nyare kobaga kwira na sobo elinde nyare kobaga kogendera amona masomae
kera na korete class 8 nganyara max 337 bona gantebita kunyara andete bono ngira nasi baba buna gonkora ngende school
ekiona kikirete Eugene Mochere kuboka mambia chuni na boigo gotara goikera ase skuru yabamura ya nyanchwa
maega yogo tebuwa obuya skuru ya nyanchwa nigo na imugite Chinsa 11 obutuko ngacha na maguru gocha baka kyohoro ngatinega ari bakandinerisi 20 mpaka town nabona chite na maguru gocha kuburi nganyanchwa ngayere bakanteberi asire
ngamatebi gogotara jisukuru oike era kororera mabira kakinyo ochakire nyanchwa ekosomi yanjira no some
Maga Eugene goika ase skuru ya muraya nyanchwa niganyalete kwa kwariga ni gwasenjira bene asobotenirwe skuru ebwatebire nigo bora yange elinde komuira Eugene korende Eugene tabwati amagani ao kati yabo chianga che skuru gose uniform ebikoro to boigo amana shopping yera mugani anyara kobaga gosoa ase skuru iyo
twakuana na administration bakora it's a need case tukamutebia chiale nto muiboli yake anto wadimiti mwana biro muiboli akalenta I believe ne grandmother ai ne skuru nere wiring wadimiti mwana oyo emwe partial scholarship ase fees but ntobwati uniform toko mwana oyo ntobwati shopping toko mwa
okobolia okonene ngochia aso mondondo bwensi ubwate okoganio kuya anyara kobaga wesokia elinde Eugene anyara kobaga kogendera amone chisemi chiae
akia bandigerete gosaba kimonkonye ngende school nchente gosoma.
We are pleading to the community yako rugali ogembo community ntobwate chief the local chief ntobwate MCA ntobwate MP we have the county government aid and don't bara mwana oyo anyara gose skuru asomikia no mwana very needy
bono ekerero kiangina koronora monchari ninga abasamaria byabanyara ko bagwesokia babwaterana amonere kwene kyabuna omochokoro Eugene onyara ko baga konyora SMIA koripatire gataseni Ndizi TV kurwa eskuru yabamura nyanchwa yegotoka me county ya Kisii eliterane Josephat Amesi
Biamono omuliketo Josephat Yamisi asoroboti ya senchari yoboye kirano kwegana buna andako yoranyo lengane yo mwana yonanyara gokonyo aliko nyara ko endro goto gotara kuro gembo pakanyanchwa namagoro tari gento kerega sori gotiga na yuno mwenchu muligire tumurekera yanda bereka okorekana anase county ya Kisii asama tuka mango mu governor we county ya Kisii Paul Simba arati obereka gotebuna abantomboro babe bakuriye kibesa nenengo gosemeshara batabwati birengo biri biseine nige gotebekana buna goetania abante 130 ase serikali ya county ya Kisii nigo bekorere ko babanta barema batali barema na bari bagwakana kibesa cyo barema eyu yabeiro obokora kurende kolengana nekyombe ekemugia serikali ya kurobotukina gotebono goetania abante liwe moboigo abo bari abakolemere membeo babere bakanyora kibesa kurwa serikali ya county ya Kisii omuriketo Mildred Mumanyi na Mange
magega yo mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simba arati gutangasa bene asomwa ko itanga county ya Kisii nigebwate abakolie mereme mbeo gose ghost workers bono aselitikolia lero nigo ekiombekelia choletwe iligokora obulingolia kurwa se institute ya human resource management ekyokere ekyombegia serikali omotenelio oyole omoswati Krish Abdulilai abekire tene nibuna abakolie meremo elibwe yamo na 34 nigo bale abembeo
established that we have 1,314 ghost workers that did not show up for the exercise. Out of the 147 employees who have the PWD certificate, 100 of them are not valid. 270 employees with relatives, have about 270 employees without personal numbers, and that means they are being paid outside the IPPD system.
Engane yareta omunsomo nene asomo yego yoni goyirera omugavana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simba arati koiranelia asate babuna mbachi koene kyabuna mbachi koimukeliwa egetambukero kolengana nelichiko
nige tekeve n'abantu bongene retina abalemo bale ni amoja 37 to kole audit umbe mugati certificate cyo balema cyo bulimo abantiri bweyemo ya tatu na kumi n'abantembeo. You can imagine these people were here close to 2 months. They had the head counter, the head office at ATC. They went to some counties. They came back. Some of the people traveled from Egypt. Those ones who are studying to come and do what? The counting. Nimepata, asante, nimepata, Hassan, I can drive like a king. Pia wewe ukijua kwamba you are a ghost worker, start looking for some ticket to travel to Uganda or to some parts of this, because this one, you have costed us so much as a county. You must, and I'm happy to say, we surcharged some of these people. And those ones who help them to do these wrong things, they must be held responsible.
Ase chinga kecho omosubati Krish Abdulilai nigo ateba emerobelio eliega neri kobwatiwa asegati yabo yarenge eyeiga.
The economic stimulus package consolidated cases which are about 906 staff. Their contracts are expiring in May 2023. We recommend that the county can get more funding for the ECB from the National Treasury as a strategic intervention.
Boigo nigo asaba omugavana gochokoba imukelia egetambukiro egetindi bali barachie kwenyora asorobochuru.
Employees who have benefited to be surcharged, officers who approved the irregular promotions to be disciplined, develop performance management framework.
Ngoripoteria egetaseni kya Ndizi TV, Elietaliane, Mildred Mumanyi.
Omonchu muligiro bono gotigana n'abakora emirimo mbeho tosuke wikenseme ndimi ya South Mugirango asamenye benseme jibono baganiriye omubunga bwenseme Silvanus Osoro kaniki ngobwateranare amo n'abakora emirimo bande elikonyara gwikirania amagendero anemeye bunga ya South Mugirango na naboni gamenya buli tangane bembunungani ukirananse webirengo bichiseme ya South Mugirango ase bono bamugani kobwaterano muwaziri w'ichiseme Ezekiel Macho ukunyara kaniki bunango kine bale birengo bichiseme anase bunga ya South Mugirango chinga kichibo igoni gubanyarire kumwarigania bene kaneke munango bwateranare kyande gikumya OBOKORERI bwa ino mugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati nakobeka nsemo amanganare ngete siasa
osoro bunare gari na batoko masaba ngera tigabero abatro opposition tiathabero opposition era tigabera se serikali aske RUTO munamusigete egekoera onyambaske na RUTO magenda taweje bugirango aske omuske Simbarati egekogera nere bakubwaterana nere ibintu mbire Simbarati yakora every constituency bugirangire included asiko muske Simbarati asika barayi bonse ekero basikanire nonye na magendero bono ekera gokoreka igagokoreka na senjire rais egekogera intuntu bwate experience ekero murayi oito batesikaini no murayi onde bwele bogete ingana kitwa umire igo so ntotagete tonja ko igwa ki story nero nga barayi babugirango yenga baramiro se Simba baramiro so no ntotagete abarayi baito bonse pi basikwe ongwa ntu bamusite myaka yaye nere tigasika abantu bande onyatapuga Chinsa chinde abwate atimoke amyaka etanere bugirango nturanyora kende togote yo musiko usuru na intu nero legari nero gukwanira bagirango esherie ko bibuye biro buna bono solsa cheno naye turo Nyamira na intu ntotate ko igumambi ingomo girango gete ntotate ko manyanga ningo lakini ntotate ko ingomo girango gete nero nyorire kirugo
nago tigana yubono tumurekera lya bakao kolekana isiko yorogongo rwa Gusii gotogeremese yubono ni gotogo chaka na robot rongete omurai wensi William Samuel RUTO letukoya ninganyare ko igore nyagetari ya gotoka se county ya Kiambu RUTO ukona kurenseme ni gate ya serikali ya Kenya kwanza ni gebigetemiro bili ya bene elikonyara ko neki bunango kinene birengo by'Obochenwa county na gate ya bune yingati ya agenda ya serikali anasama nganarengete Obochenu.
Healthcare is not just important, it is fundamental. It forms one of the cardinal pillars of our radical bottom-up transformation agenda. The people's fundamental right to healthcare constitutes a vital component of our governing mandate, and it is important to use such an opportunity as this to lay emphasis on this particular subject. Secondly, universal health care, which makes medical treatment a public good, is a means of increasing the disposable income available to Kenyan households. By drastically minimizing expenditure on health needs, Kenyans will have more savings to invest in goods that enhance well-being and grow their wealth. This is how a thriving economy is built sustainably from the bottom up.
Nago tigana ibono mwancho muligira sorobo tironde ni gobona baseneta kurwa sensemeli ya Azimio One Kenya litukolero batu arege karaso bwamo na kunyara gukwana igoro ya maunchiriya alibere bagokora ase birogo byobo seneta bakora wano mo seneta bwe county ya Kilifi Stuart Mazayo ligona bate bire bunensemelio ya Azimio wana nigo yakora maunchiriyo anasobura ibwa baseneta nigo bate bire bunna bali balenga se birogo ebyo nigo barokana kubwatisia ensemo ya serikali nagote yabuno kunoko nyara kobatiga magigensema ya Azimio egentokerera bono batu alege karokya bwamo na konyara okora monjero lya soburai bwenseme ino nabo ni go bamenta gote yabuna egangene yogo chamuli tukolia no konyara kumanya Kenya buno mu Azimio ni go botigarete boteneine.
We have had a meeting with Baba and the main purpose of this Senate parliamentary group is to tell the Kenyans that we are united as senators of Azimio. We are a team, and it was important that we make this one very clear and that we effected the changes that took place in the Senate yesterday. We have the new leadership in place, which Baba will shortly tell you. And I think it was a good meeting that we met, and we were briefing Baba on what's going on, and we are happy that it all went well.
Boy go ase chinga kichumure we kyama gyaudi Raila Morodinga ni gakwanirengane ywa samoncheria abaka okowara ase ensemeli ye bunge ye senate na saba senate ni go chinga kichi bakora moncheria ase wono bachoro omo senate we county ya Kilifi yo makata bana steward mazayo ko ba majority leader ase ensemeyo ase boy go bachoro minority na chief wipo ase litukuliale Raila kago kwana boy go ni garro kana ko muchumure wense William Samuel Ruto asogote abuna no Ruto kagendeta kube kama saba chinsemo igakoleta mamucha OBOCHORI bwa eta serera tigategote abuna nero bwe TOBWATERANE obona bwakolekana to mwaka wetu mwaka bwechiri hubere na merongebere nebere.
We have shared. I'm happy to announce that our leadership in the Senate is now the leader. The minority leader is Honorable Stewart Mazayo, deputed by Honorable Senator Enoch Wambua from Kitui, and the whip is Honorable Ledama Olekina, deputized by Honorable Edwin Sifuna. That is our lineup in the Senate. This is because some officials who were there before have opted to now work with the majority party in the Senate, and we want to be very focused. We have also talked about the challenges that this country is facing today, the issue of electoral justice that we have been talking about. And this is not an issue that is going to die until it is properly resolved. We have shown beyond doubt that the elections were rigged. And doesn't matter how many times Mr. RUTO shouts, how many times he prays, the prayer is not going to help him to get away with theft of elections. Kenyans must defend electoral justice. People fought for a long time to bring multi-party back to this country, and they are not going to surrender that again and take this country back to the dark days of single-party dictatorship. Somebody got 5.9 million votes. Other person got 8.1 million votes. Those are the facts. Those are the facts which should not be swept under the carpet. We must defend electoral justice in our country.
Na boige krayo agen retu munyakiro mwenewe kiamwa keligia ODM weru mbunge OBOCHORI John Mbadi ni konera kwanire nganejo anene asa mangana lengeto borai bwense Mbadi kokwane ase bunge kwa wabwa tebi karobene ni garro kana ko muchumura ibwense William Samuel Ruto anasa mangana lengete bango ni Mbadi ateba buna Ruto bwente ko kimbikiryo kosangirie bango KRA ribaga konyara kwikira nimero mbili yaye kolendete Ruto bwente ko sona na amangana yokuru kwebango aiga sense ya Kenya.
The president can never be a tax collection agent. We have competent people in KRA. If Kenyatta family is not paying tax, they must pay. But let KRA follow them. Anyone who is not paying tax should pay. But let KRA follow them. Let us not weaponize KRA. You are the ones who told us that President Uhuru Kenyatta was weaponizing state institutions. You are doing exactly that. You are weaponizing of all of us, trying to run to the president. We want to support your government. The president has enough members of parliament to support his government. We must be here to provide checks and balances to this executive. And Madam Speaker, you want more. I can hear the majority leader saying they want more because they have bad intention. You want to make bad laws in this country without absolute numbers. I am still very comfortable where I am. And to Honorable Kimani Chungwa, he said I may be official opposition leader. I want to be president of this country, not official opposition leader.
Voigo ekra yuage ndrete ni gobona sentunde ya kabera no murobuli ulibo asala fanda na ndo gochiko cha kabena na somo tinye gani gochinga kichibona senkwana kurasa bwatani bate birebuna ni gemirobuli benega ndrete ko bigo kone kone byombe bichiko konyaka ana somo rubuli wasala fanda oyo gochiko so sentunde ya kabere.
Next phase that we're supposed to start in this month of February, it is the products that target groups and cooperatives. And the cooperatives are expected to drive this phase because among the groups targeted, cooperatives are the only formal organization at that part. So cooperatives will be expected to be intermediary for the big chunk of this what we are called microfinance loans.
If they want to do it well, the ASA fund should now go through circles, and the people who want to join should become circle members, because that is how it can reach them so easily. Circle members have security when they join, and they have share capital.
So with that government plan of you see, like even a business, you find that they have looked for a lot of investors are coming. And when investors come, their main aim is to set up businesses which will also be able to generate some income both for the locals and even at an international level.
Of course, the government will target those cooperatives that have good governance, especially the ones that are now under the ambit of SASRA, because they expect the money to be well taken care of.
Abokori mirimo kurase kambani ya mumiase ni gobakorokoro bekano gotinda sawate yabune ngeli yabo yaberege kunyura senga kentambe bona bagane serikali konyara gasoime ero kanyara kumurekera mangana amanga banete goetera sabate birimo micande menge nigegendrete kuba bwaterania anaso kuboro kwenenge sena sokoro bekana kwabo ni gwe murunganiriye anoburayo bobe asensemeyo.
We as leaders, we as a workers union, we are really requesting the president, we are really requesting the leadership of this region to come and rescue these people. Because hawa watu hawana even a contract letter, hawana even insurance. Most of them wamekufa hapa kwa kampuni. Hakuna malipo yenye wanalipwa yoyote. Kwa hivyo sisi tunasema kwamba kama Muhindi haezi patia watu better terms, haezi wapatia hata barua, yeye atoke, tuletewe mtu mwenye anatangalia maslahi ya hapa.
Vile tulianza kazi, tulikuwa na maximum ya malipo. Ilikuwa 3,000 kwa tractor. Hiyo ilikuwa siku ya kwanza. Lakini sasa venye tulifanya wiki mbili, tukarudishwa kwa 2,000. Tukafanya tena wiki mbili, tukarudishwa kwa 1,500. Sasa hapo maximum imekuwa kwa hivyo tumerudishwa kwa 1,200. Na saizi sisi ni maasola. Ukiona hata shilingi 1,200 na mko watu 6 kwa tractor, hapo utakula nini?
There was they intended to have the meetings of the former employees, but due to unavoidable circumstances we were not able to allow them. We reviewed the security situation around that place and we advised them accordingly. In terms of their meeting, we told them that it's good they postpone until a later date.
Monchumuliki bono nyora ni gogendete gotengera Ndizi TV obwansu bumugusi Chinsa ni Isato chia bono botuko ase ali na bangu kwaliga nara yina nko wakirambia muna sogo chorako ya tengera kulende nyora buna stariki bune chia lero omutinyi muno ya lero egente kijya gosekebe ngia kolekanete asense mugetu monchumuliki bono lero stariki ni gochire 15 mutinyi kabere nyora stariki chiga una botambe egente kijya gosekebe ngia kolekanata so mwaka bwaliwe muchimi ya kenda emeronge 5 no mono yo mu 1961 stariki 15 mutinyo kabere egento gya kolekanete neke abogosoni ya kurwa sensemeli ya US obono bakora mangana skating ne gosodi yo konyora abantu babegete bikoro tibwa tamagoro kurunse bagotara ose bakurunda gutumye bikoro tobirya enera gosori kurukuna skating etimu engima ya rogochi ya se world skating ni gobono endege bali nete ya bete ya gwete sensemo ya Belgium etimu ya lenge ya abantu 15 batatu hankyo korwa sensemeria ya US na bonsi nigo bakwete ine timu yale gochigokore gosori yense yubona yale gochigokorekana ne go bali sta sendege bali gotumia ndege nigo yagwete gaita bagosira ubonsi kurense ya US abo bono bali konda gosori ya skating yubona moncho mulgirya bange tokora ntu bakobike bikuru tebwata magoro kurunse okora bakomnyoka na biro byo pare 15 batatabu bonsi nigo bakweta abo ase isariki unechelero omuti muno yolero umwaka 1961 ina rakorekanete sariki unechelero omutinyi buno yolero mbiamuno asogochera gotengera Ndizi TV tumunanenga kienda SMS ya mangana majia olitwale kubwaterane rogotera somuno wimanyirio igakoruka Joshua auta ikarokali Petro nira mokera ane kibuna chibi chamunelio game tia wikira senchera ya bene hankyo maiga yoko bokana nyasaye buna botambe mura na Britain Makoli na Sara Nyarangi ontita asomuro belio wensa kiritera ninche nkorokwa Vincent.